Hello and welcome to another video from Fudge Learn about Oracle eBusiness Suite. In this video I'm going to be switching focus slightly because I'm going to be talking about release 12.2 but in the context of the operational efficiency opportunities that are available and that you may wish to consider having completed an upgrade. Hopefully on upgrading you've gone for one of the most recent versions, either 12.2.9 which came out in August of 2019 or the latest version which is 12.2.10. But don't worry if you haven't, because the online patching capability means that if you find that there's some functionality in a later version that you want to use, then it's much more straightforward to move to that version. So if you've completed your upgrade and you're now thinking about implementing some improvements and some efficiency gains, then where do you start? Well, there certainly is a lot of information out there. Based on my understanding of the new features and functionality in release 12.2 and also having spoken to some of our customers, I believe there are 6 key areas where you can leverage some great operational and process efficiencies. These are the eBusiness Suite mobile app, the iSupplier portal, Oracle sourcing, advanced collections, human resources, and the enterprise command centres, which actually cut across a few different areas. In this video I'm going to be focusing on the eBusiness Suite mobile app, which is available from release 12.2. So let's get started with talking about its benefits. The app is available for both Android and Apple phones, and you'll find it in the relevant app store. The minimum versions that the app will work with are 12.1.3 or 12.2.3. The app is available for self-service HR, and that's from eBusiness Suite version 12.2.5. There's no additional technology required other than the relevant server patch needs to be applied, so that would be the patch 12.1.3 or 12.2.3. The app can be used on iPads, tablets or phones, and it can be used to carry out a range of activities such as approve requisitions or record sickness absence, for example. So why might you think of using a mobile app instead of just logging on to the Oracle eBusiness Suite itself? I can think of a couple of scenarios where it might be useful. Say for example you have employees that need to perform receipting when goods have been delivered. They might work in a warehouse or they might work in a loading bay, so may not necessarily have ready access to logging on to Oracle eBusiness Suite. So in those circumstances it would be useful to be able to use a mobile app, and they could simply just log on through their mobile phone and perform the receipting. Alternatively, another scenario could be you might have managers that are out and about and need to perform some approvals, say for example of an employee that's requested some holiday, and if they've got access to a mobile app it gives them the option that they can approve it there and then rather than waiting for when they return back to the office. In this demo I'm going to be using the mobile app to perform receipting of goods that have been ordered through iProcurement. So let's get logged in and then I can show you what information you can actually get access to from within the app itself. So I'm logging in as an operations user. And as you can see, we've got a list here of this user's requisitions. It shows some key requisition information, requisition number, what the requisition's for, the status of the requisition and value of the requisition. So let me just pick this requisition 18273. So I can see that this requisition is pending approval with Catherine Baker, and I can see the need by date and some additional description information. So I'm going to search for a requisition that we're going to pretend that this user has raised. The requisition number is 18348 and it's for a monitor. And if I go into view the detail for that requisition, here it is. You can see the justification that I put on there as well. And that it's been approved by Connor Horton today. If I return back to the requisition information, and then we can see the details of the purchase order, and then if we click on that, we can then see the specific order information, so the need by date, delivery information and project information. And then if we return back one step, to perform the receipting, it's simply a case of clicking on that tick in the top right corner. This slide summarises some of the key benefits that can be gained from Release 12.2. In respect of the eBusiness Suite mobile app that we've just been taking a look at, I would say that the mobile app provides opportunities for process improvement. The main reason for this is that for people that are on the go, such as you might have sales professionals out in the field, or you might have warehouse staff picking and packing in the warehouse, they may not have ready access to a desktop computer. So the eBusiness Suite mobile app gives them the opportunity to access key business information or key personal information without having to wait. So it can reduce delays in the process, for example. Say if somebody's an approver, then it means that they can go ahead and approve a requisition without having to wait to get access to a desktop in order to do that. I hope you found this video useful. If you're interested in finding more information about the Release 12.2 changes or on Oracle eBusiness Suite, then check out our website and also our YouTube channel. You can use this QR code to go straight to our website, and in YouTube don't forget to click on subscribe and then on the bell, and you'll be the first to hear when we publish more video content.